La Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C10 Serum is a potent serum formulated to combat dullness, uneven skin tone, signs of aging, and to revitalize the complexion. This serum contains a high concentration of vitamin C, which plays a role in maintaining skin health and brightening the complexion, offering antioxidant protection against environmental aggressors. La Roche Posay is a recognized skincare brand celebrated for its dermatologist-tested formulas. And in this video, we will take a deep dive into the numerous benefits of La Roche Posay's Vitamin C Serum, guiding you through its correct application and sharing the essential do's and don'ts. But first, how does vitamin C work within the skin? So vitamin C, known as ascorbic acid, is a vital ingredient to have in your skincare routine, acting as a safeguard against skin issues such as uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and signs of aging. It is best to be used during the day because of its actions, and it's actually an antioxidant, which helps to shield against free radical damage. Free radicals cause cellular damage to the skin, causing our skin to not function properly. So within the dermis, our deeper layer of the skin, vitamin C works by stimulating our fibroblasts, which are responsible for creating strong collagen in the skin, which gives us a healthier, firmer skin. Vitamin C also works with our capillaries and oxygen through the blood. It helps to repair and rebuild a sensitive skin that may have redness within the skin. You see, capillaries are good at constricting, but if they are weaker as they get with age, it can be harder for them to restrict. So vitamin C can help strengthen the capillary walls and heal the skin. Vitamin C is also a tyrosinase inhibitor that ensures your skin isn't producing too much pigment. So understanding the many benefits of vitamin C, what does actually make the La Roche Posay's vitamin C stand out? So this serum is formulated with both pure vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, and salicylic acid. It helps boost the skin's radiance and skin tone through exfoliation. The overall serum helps visibly reducing the appearance of wrinkles, skin texture, and more. Now, this formulation also includes thermal spring water, helping support the skin's moisture barrier function and to help minimize the discomfort within the skin, making this vitamin C serum suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin and those prone to irritation. So how do you use La Roche Posay's Pure Vitamin C10 Serum? This serum is light and easily absorbed, making it a suitable choice for all skin types, and it is best to be applied in the morning to protect the skin from environmental aggressors and free radicals throughout the day. So you want to start your routine with a gentle cleanser to prepare the skin. You then want to go in with your 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin C serum. If that's too much, use a little bit less, and you apply this to your hands and then gently spread the serum over your face, neck, and chest area. You then want to go in after the serum application with moisturizer, and then you want to finish with sunscreen. Now, for those who are new to vitamin C, do begin using 3 times per week and increase up to daily as your skin adapts. Do carry out a patch test before fully incorporating any new product into your routine. And also don't use vitamin C if you have active breakouts or acne, as vitamin C is generally too active for the breakouts. The only time you should start using vitamin C when you have acne is post-acne, when you're trying to fade post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that can occur after having pimples. Don't use any extra exfoliating acids or a retinol serum with this vitamin C serum at the same time. Always finish your morning skincare routine with a broad spectrum sun protection, as exfoliating ingredients such as salicylic acid can increase sun sensitivity to the skin. Now, if you encounter persistent irritation or adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a skin professional. Interested in learning more about vitamin C and how it works on hyperpigmentation? Then definitely check out this video here next.